Hi, I'm Chef Rahim. I'm 11 years old. Today I'm going to make avocado and cucumber sushi rolls. I got the idea of making sushi because I got a message from Japan to make some sushi. So then I researched and found this recipe. So let's try it out together and find out how it goes. For this recipe, you're going to need chopped cilantro, lime juice, cumin powder, chili powder, salt, garlic paste, cucumber, and avocado. First step is you gotta cut the stem off. Then you have to start peeling. Continue peeling until you see the cucumber part. Once you see full cucumber part, start beginning to keep all the peels. Now that I've peeled my cucumber, I'm going to put it on a paper towel and put another paper towel on top to let them dry. My cucumbers are drying, I'm going to start cutting my avocado. As you pull it apart, you're going to notice a seed. Take out the seed. Once you have your avocado cut in half, you may begin scooping it out. Now that my avocado is ready, I can start putting my ingredients in. I'm going to put 1 teaspoon of lime juice, 1 teaspoon of cumin powder, half a teaspoon of chili powder, half a teaspoon of salt, and half a teaspoon of garlic paste. I've put my lime juice, so now I'm going to put in my cumin powder. Now I'm putting in my chili powder. Putting in my salt. Now that all my ingredients are in, I'm going to put some cilantro and mix it. Now that my avocado is mashed, I may begin my assembly. First, I'm going to put my avocado. Then, I'm going to spread it thin. Now that I've spread my avocado, I'm going to begin to roll it. Roll it really tight. Now I'm going to garnish with some leftover cilantro. Hi, I'm Chef Rahim. I'm 11 years old. If I can make avocado sushi roll, so can you. Time to eat. I'm hungry.